Hi and welcome back to Sadie's Spincraft Sunset. I'm so excited. We have a parcel and it's time to do some unboxing. It's been a while. Ooh. They've changed their boxes. So this is World of Wool, and instead of having the weird one, they've given me a smaller one to try to fit it in and get smaller. So here goes. What have we got in here? Alright, what's this? We've got 200 grams of white Southdown. Well, obviously it's white. I meant to say Southdown top. What's this? Egyptian cotton. Trying that out. We're going to try some cotton. What's this? Oh, that's the right. So that one's cotton top, and that one's cotton fibre. So we can do what we need to do with both, and we can test both out. Then we've got some carded dark fawn Corriedale slither. That's for a nice woolen textured spin. What's this one? A khaki green carded merino slither. Got some colours this time. Hang on. We've got Dorset horn. So we've got some for dyeing and some for that are already dyed. What's this one? Superfine merino, and this one's amethyst. Well, I do love a bit of purple. What else we got? Just normal merino, and this one's violet. Look at that. So pretty and bright. What's this one? Grey Gotland. They've first squished them into these things this time. So here we've got some Grey Gotland there. And what else? Last but not least, some Taurus. And I do believe this is merino and tencel. It's got that shine in there. And it's a few different colours. It's a few purples and blues. I do believe there's a little bit of black in there. And that's it. So, what I was thinking is I want to make a jumper. We all know this. So I was thinking that these could be add-ins for colour, so I've got perfect colours going through at all times. And then we dye up the Southdown and Dorset horn, blend them together. I should have 600 grams. That should be enough for me to do a jumper. This is going to be a long process. But yeah, it should be enough for me to do a jumper. If it works out how I want it to. We'll spin this one on Spin and Story Time because I have started filming that again. We've just got to get some more done, and then we can do the story time over the top. We will be doing cotton. Even though I don't have proper cotton carders, we're going to work this for this one. We can do it. And then we're going to test out spinning cotton. I think I may need the nano or one of my spindles that I've made because it needs a fast twist on cotton because it's a very, very short staple length. And then we've got Gotland to try. And we've tried the other stuff. This one is just, it's Corriedale. I know I liked the colour, so I got it. Right, anyway, thank you so much for watching. There will be another video out very soon because I'm filming it. Duh. I can't think, my brain's gone. That's what excitement over fluff gets you. Anyway, yeah, there'll be another video out soon. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you to all the returning subscribers. And don't forget, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more random uploads that I do. Love and hugs. No matter where you are in the world, whether it's morning, afternoon, evening or night time, I want you to do what you love doing. Love and hugs to all you wonderful people out there, and I'll definitely see you all again soon. Goodbye, my beautifuls. Mwah.